Okay, so we want to make a cube. So let's do that. Then it says there's a pyramid on each face of the cube. So it would look something like this. And this is happening on every face. So on this face as well. And then on this face. And on the back and the bottom. So Euler's formula is given by F plus V minus E, and that equals to 2. So we want to show that this is true, so we have to find the number of faces, number of vertices, and the number of edges. So let's start with the number of faces. And we know that there are 4 faces for each pyramid, and that there are 6 of those. So 4 times 6 pyramids, that gives us 24 faces. For the number of vertices, we have 8 from the corners of the cube there, plus the vertices from the top of the pyramids, and that's going to be 6 of those. So we get 8 plus 6, and that's 14 vertices. The number of edges, again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 from the cube itself. And then the 4 from each of the pyramids, so it's going to be 4 times the 6 pyramids. So we get 12 plus 24, and that gives us 36. So let's see if this is true. We have 24 plus V, which is 14, minus E, which we got 36. And this side does equal to 2, and that equals left side equals right side, so we prove that this is true.